Hello everyone. This video demonstrates how to create an easy-to-do, original double-sided relief knit. It's knitted like a garter stitch with knit stitches on both sides. This pattern is simple and consists of only one row and 2 loops. The resulting fabric has a rich relief and texture, providing good elasticity and staying tight even after washing. To start, cast on a multiple of 2 stitches. Then, add an extra loop to create an offset between the rows and finish with 2 edge loops. On both sides of the fabric, we will knit all stitches through the back. After slipping the edge loop, we will work with the loops in pairs. Knit the first loop. Without slipping it from the left needle, knit the first and second loops together. Again, knit the first loop, knit the first and second loops together. Knit the first loop, knit the first and second loops together. Repeat this pattern to the end of the row when one loop is left. Knit 1. On the opposite side, we knit in the same way. The loops are in pairs, formed from the previous row. We will use the last stitch of the previous row to create an offset and form new pairs of stitches. Knit the first loop. Without slipping it from the left needle, knit the first and second loops together. Knit the first loop, knit the first and second loops together. Knit the first loop, knit the first and second loops together. Repeat this pattern to the end of the row when one loop is left. Knit 1. Repeat this row until you achieve the desired length. This method creates a unique knitted fabric with a distinct texture suitable for any season or type of yarn. It is perfect for making hats, capes, cardigans, and scarves due to its reversibility. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.